Hello guys, welcome back. Are you looking for a gaming PC that won't break the bank? Let's talk about the Acer Nitro N60-640-EB22. This gaming tower comes with some solid parts. You get an Intel Core i5 400F processor, an NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card, 16 gigs of fast DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB solid-state drive. It's built for gamers who want good performance without spending too much. So, how does it game? Pretty well actually. The RTX 5060 can handle most modern games at 1080p with high settings. You'll get smooth frame rates in games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, and Apex Legends. It even does okay with some games at 1440p if you tweak the settings a bit. The processor keeps up nicely too, so you won't see any stuttering or lag during intense moments. The case looks clean with its black design and tempered glass side panel. You can see the RGB fans glowing inside, which adds a nice touch. It's not too big either, so it won't take over your whole desk. The fans stay pretty quiet even when you're gaming hard. There's Wi-Fi 6 built in, so you can play online without plugging in an Ethernet cable. 1TB should be enough for most people to start with, and you can store plenty of games and files. The best part? You can upgrade later if you need more space. The case has room for extra drives, and the power supply is strong enough if you want to add better parts down the road. The Acer Nitro N60-640-EB22 is a solid choice for gamers on a budget. It handles modern games well, looks good, and gives you room to upgrade. If you want reliable gaming performance without spending a fortune, this PC delivers. It's not the most powerful machine out there, but for the price, it gets the job done right. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.